I am now at the Stanton, and I am coming into my room. Give you a quick view. I already dropped my bags. This is what it looks like. This is a king suite. Suite's kind of a loose interpretation here, but I have been told that there's a lovely balcony, so we could check that out next. Closet. Let's see the balcony. I have a skyline view, so not beach, but we'll see what that looks like. Spacious. Definitely gonna have some sun on it. Let's see. I'm sure it's pretty at night. I do love the outdoors. I just love having outside space just in general. Oh, actually you can see the water. It's off in the distance there, but it's there. Do you see it? There's the ocean. Very nice. No complaints. And I guess it's kind of an older building. It has like an old school vibe. Hooray, drawers. I don't know why, you guys, it's just easier to drop socks and underwear in a drawer. Tell me it's not. I know I'm obsessive, but come on. This is fine, you know, but you're tossing stuff in without baskets. It drives me crazy, so always glad to see drawers. Little fridge for beverages, love. It's not full with stuff that I'm not gonna use, love. These older hotels have kind of tried to bring in the ports for all of our devices by coming up with these cubes. Because you can tell if it's older because they don't have the plugs with the USB ports in them. They have, you know, they do the cube instead. I'm down for a good spot to sit and read. And this would be pretty perfect once the sun goes down. It's about 100 degrees today, so you have to really like the heat. This is their on-site surf cantina. Busy. The hotel does offer 2 chairs, 9 to 5 daily, for people that are staying at the hotel. Just because I'm here for work and not on vacation, I am never home to partake in that, but it's a nice perk if you're here for vacation. So this is South Point Park Pier, and this is the jetty that people are standing on when the cruise ships come by. stand over there, or you could literally be over here. And if I had timed it right, I would have been able to catch the cruise ship going by, but I just happened upon this. You can see the ship off in the distance. I completely missed it. But this would be a really cool spot if you wanted to see that. I think it'd be very entertaining for children. Okay, let's go see what's right outside our doors. Again, if you have kids, this is a great spot. Like a little splash pad, maybe not even a 10-minute walk from the hotel. Also has a little rooftop kind of deck. Obviously made it, you know, to look like a ship because the ships go by here, which is actually clever. But again, tons of stuff for the kids to do. Splash pad, and then a full-on little park for them that is shaded, which if you're coming in the summer, you're gonna need.